Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't unboxed and review of some of my collaboration, but this time around I am so lucky and it's my honor. I get the privilege to work again with PISEN. The last time was I think that was the kind of charger, but this time around is a 3-in-1 wireless charger holder. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's a wireless charging holder for your phone. So let's unbox this together. So this is PISEN brand, so I'm collaborating with them and I'm working with them, and I'm gonna put the link on my description, and so that if you are interested and you can purchase one of this, and I'm pretty sure this is a game changer gadget. So experience seamless connectivity on all your phones, watches, earphones, in a form-fitting design. So this is not just for phone, this is also for your watches, earphones or AirPods. So this is I'm talking about. This is really a game changer. So let's open this together. Stay with me. So thank you so much, PISEN. I love this. I really love working with you guys. This is how it's like. And yeah, it has like 15 watts, power up to 15 watts, and it's magnetic. And it's also atmosphere. It has atmosphere lamp, and it's wireless charging. And yeah, so let's open this together. There you go. So it's like that. Okay. Easy to open. So this is it one. Right here. Here. So let's put here. Let's put right there. Cool. This is how it looks like. So you have to put your phone here and your watch here. You can put your watch here and your phone. So where's my phone? So yeah, and so this one I picked the gray color. They have different other, I think they have white also. So its output is for phone wireless charging 15 watts and MPPT 15 watts, and for earphone wireless is charging 5 watts, and for watch wireless charging it's for 2.5 watts. And yeah, and this is very effective distance from 8mm. So this is designed by PISEN. There you go. This is where you put your phone right here, and pretty amazing, huh? And here also your phone. You can put your phone here, and voila! And I love it. So it has also, what are the inclusions of this one? So it has a, what's this one? Cord you can put here. This is kind of, you know, this is very useful for us, and this apparatus or this gadget, it's, I would really highly recommend this one. If you have your iPhone or AirPod or earphones or your watches, you can charge it here. So this is amazing, right? So, isn't it? Experience seamless connectivity on all phones, watches, and earphones, and a form-fitting design. So this is kind of game changer, because at the same time, while charging your phone, you can charge your watch, your wireless watch, right? So amazing. So later on, I'm gonna try this on. So yeah, don't forget to check it out on my description. I'm gonna put the link on my description, and if you guys are interested to purchase it and grab one for you, and you can have, you know, it's very affordable. So yeah, and I think that's all I can say about this one. So right here, there's a like a little lamp right here. It's called a atmosphere lamp. So this is like here when you turn this on. So amazing. So I can't wait to use this one, and thank you, PISEN, for trusting me to work with you again. And I super love this gadget. So yeah, and what else? So I think that's it. That's it, guys. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, the video will be continue. I'm gonna take a video of this gadgets and how it really looks like a closer feature of this, and what are the inclusions of this gadget. So once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle here, and saying to you, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. So bye bye.